Alright, here's a pretty typical Pythagorean theorem word problem. Alright, so I'll read it to you. From home to school, Nancy travels 6 kilometers south. Then she takes a left and goes for another 8 kilometers. How far is her school directly from her house? Okay. The first thing you'd probably want to do is sketch the problem so you can see it. This makes it easier that way. Okay? So I'm going to start from the origin because it's just easier. Okay, so that means her home is going to be the origin. Alright, that's her house. Okay, so she goes down 6 kilometers. Okay, then she goes left 8 kilometers. So she's facing this way, then turns left. Okay, alright. So she goes left 8. Alright, so this is her school right here. Alright, there we go. It labeled it for you. So now, as you can see, I filled in this line right here and made a right triangle. Okay. Now we use the Pythagorean theorem to solve and find this length. Okay. Or the direct path. Say if she could fly, then that is the length or the distance to the school. Okay. All right. So remember, the hypotenuse is the c in the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Because the right angle's here. Okay. All right. So here is the beautiful Pythagorean theorem, and remember we're looking for this. So we're given these guys and we're looking for this. Okay. So I went ahead and I substituted this right here. Okay. 6 for this leg and 8 for this leg. You can switch these. The order doesn't matter since you're adding them. Okay. So this becomes 36. This becomes 64 equals c squared. Okay. If you add that up, that's 100. Okay. So 100 equals c squared. We take the square root of both sides, and we get 10 equals c, or c equals 10. Okay. Alright, so c equals 10 kilometers. Don't forget the units. Okay, so if she went directly, it would be 10. But since she takes this path, it is 14. Okay, and that completes our problem.